नमस्ते, मेरो नाम अन्तरा भण्डारी। आज मिति 2082 साल वैशाख महिना 26 गते हाम्रो विद्यालय सर्वनाम शिक्षालयमा चाहिँ चुनाव हुन गइरहेको छ। यस अन्तर्गत चाहिँ हामीले भाइस क्याप्टेन र क्याप्टेनलाई छान्नु पर्नेछ। धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार।
नमस्कार।
तपाईँ विद्यालयको प्रिन्सिपल, तपाईलाई आजको निर्वाचन कस्तो लागिरहेछ?
निर्वाचन यो हाम्रो एउटा मोडल निर्वाचन हामीले बनाउन खोजेको छ। यो देशभरिको राजनीतिमा पनि यही तरिकाले हामीले आफ्नो प्रतिनिधिहरू, राम्रा प्रतिनिधिहरू, जनताले मन पराएका प्रतिनिधिहरू छान्ने प्रक्रिया अनुरूप विद्यालयका पनि लिडर्सहरू, क्याप्टन, भाइस क्याप्टन लगायत अन्य विभिन्न लिडर्सहरूलाई विद्यार्थीहरूले छानेर आफ्नो नेता आफैले छान्ने एउटा वातावरण बनाउन खोजिरहेको हुँदा यो मलाई अति नै राम्रो लागिरहेको छ।
विद्यार्थीहरूले छानेका लिडरहरूले काम गर्छन् भनेर तपाईँ कति चाहनुहुन्छ?
पक्कै पनि यति धेरै विद्यार्थीहरूले राम्रै क्यान्डिडेटहरूलाई छानेको हुन्छ, उपयुक्त योग्य क्यान्डिडेटलाई नै छानेको हुन्छ भन्ने मेरो विश्वास हो। त्यसले गर्दा योग्य क्यान्डिडेट छानियो भनेदेखि उसले पक्कै पनि विद्यालय प्रशासनलाई र विद्यार्थी बिचमा एउटा ब्रिजिङको काम गर्न सक्छ। त्यसले गर्दा मलाई त विश्वास लाग्छ विद्यार्थीहरू कतिपय नजाने पनि सिक्दै बुझ्दै गरेर पक्कै पनि काम गर्नेछन् भन्ने मलाई विश्वासै लाग्छ।
विद्यालयको लागि क्याप्टेन र भाइस क्याप्टेन कति महत्त्वपूर्ण छ?
पक्का पनि धेरै महत्त्वपूर्ण छ, किनकि यो विद्यालयको लागि मात्र नभएर स्वयं विद्यार्थीको लागि पनि एउटा नेतृत्वको विकास गर्ने एउटा राम्रो मौका पनि हो। भोलि गएर यिनै विद्यार्थीहरू देशको राजनीतिमा विभिन्न क्षेत्रमा नेतृत्व गरेर हिँड्नुपर्ने हुँदा यो अति नै राम्रो काम हो र यो महत्त्वपूर्ण काम गरेको जस्तो लाग्छ। ठिकै छ, धन्यवाद तिमीलाई पनि। र यो जसरी आज निर्वाचन हाम्रो विद्यार्थीहरूको नेतृत्वहरूको निर्वाचन भइरहेको छ, यसलाई अझ परिष्कृत गरेर राम्रो गरेर सभ्य तरिकाले सम्पन्न गर्नलाई शुभकामना पनि दिन चाहन्छु। थ्याङ्क यू।
यो इलेक्सन भाइस क्याप्टेन र क्याप्टेनको लागि यो चाहिँ कतिको हेल्पफुल हुन्छ त विद्यार्थीहरूको लागि?
यस्तो प्रक्रियाले विद्यार्थीहरूमा एउटा सचेत नागरिकको जुन उत्तरदायित्व कसरी वहन गरिन्छ र भावी भविष्यमा उनीहरू पनि निर्वाचन प्रक्रियाबाट एउटा सङ्घीय लोकतान्त्रिक कार्यप्रणालीको एउटा व्यवहार बानी बस्ने जस्तो लाग्छ र यसले उनीहरूलाई एउटा सचेत नागरिक बनाउँछ भन्ने विश्वास लाग्दछ। त्यही नै भन्नु मैले।
धन्यवाद हजुरलाई।
Good morning, sir.
Okay, good morning.
You being the in charge of the school and handling all of the academic part of the school, what challenges do you face in a day-to-day school activity?
Oh, there are many types of challenges in day-to-day activities. So normally being a school, there are academic things as well, okay, related to co-curricular activities and ECA. So regarding academic activities, homework related problems, oral problems, okay, handwriting issues, and regarding things, yes, are there that has to be handled. Similarly, regarding co-curricular discipline, okay, so as being boarding school, English environment is another, so we have composed in compulsory English environment within the school premises. Similarly, discipline is another, and the uniform, similarly ECA activities and all to be managed, yes, are the things that we have to manage day-to-day activities.
Do you think the election process helps in choosing a capable leader?
Yes, I think because election itself is the right way of selecting the candidate, because it is a democratic system in which, yes, people or the students, okay, they can select their right candidates, yes, because they have to be, yes, with the coordination of the leaders throughout the year or in a certain tenure. Therefore, being election itself the democratic procedure, so right candidate must come. If they are not right candidate, so they will be observed by the admin members as well, teachers as well, and in the middle there will be questions, and the next year, so the new candidate will be chosen, okay, instead of the one who doesn't work for the progress of the school or for the certain criteria.
If an appropriate candidate cannot be elected through election process, can the objective behind upholding the election still be considered successful?
No, it cannot be. If the right candidate doesn't come through the election, okay, the objective or the aims or whatever the things we have managed as the goal cannot be succeeded. But what we have a system of that, yes, if somebody doesn't work in the way, the admin members are there, principal, the in charge, finance manager, okay, coordinators, even teachers, if they object in the middle, so we might change, yes, in the process as well. So sometimes, by the way, we hope the right candidate comes. If somebody doesn't come, then there are certain ways to change, yes, the candidate in the middle, being school, yes, election. So we have that system as well.
During the election process, how often do you observe candidates showing their curiosity or excitement when they're winning?
Really, we saw a lot of curiosity, yes, in them, because the one thing is that in their curriculum too, they learn the process of election, especially in Samajik subject. So being this practical here, they are too much excited to be elected through the processes. So we see the curiosity among the leaders, not only to the candidates, but also to the voters. Okay, we have seen the curiosity to choose their one right candidate, or as the captain and the vice captain of the school houses.
Thank you for your valuable.
Thank you very much. Thank you to you.